Welcome. I'm Matt Duran, VP and General Manager of the Americas and Global Automation for Destaco. Thank you for joining our Automation Insights digital event. We hope you discover valuable information during the 10 unique live and pre-recorded sessions we will present throughout this two-day event. Throughout this next session, we will introduce 4 new Destaco products that can optimize automation applications, quality, and output. They include a new manual tool changer for collaborative robots, a new servo positioner designed for small, high-speed positioning applications, an addition to our 84N sheet metal gripper series product line for faster press shop stamping applications, and a new pivot unit that provides for easy angle adjustment and includes an SBI lock system. These new product introductions are pre-recorded, but we will have experts available on the chat right now to answer any questions you have. Feel free to connect with us, and thank you for joining.
Welcome. My name is Gary Labadie. I'm the Global Product Director for Destaco, and today I want to talk to you about our TC1 manual tool changer that is designed primarily to work with cobots. Now, cobots find their way into just about any application that's available in the market. There's a lot of traditional automation applications that are going on, but now it's finding its way into non-traditional automation areas where users are trying to automate their process. And by doing so, they don't have the engineering staff or the tools to integrate a lot of products. So they're relying on the manufacturer to provide tools that make it a simple integration into their cobot so that they can expand its flexibility and get a bigger return on their investment. So we came up with a tool changer, which is basically consists of a robot plate and a tool plate. The robot plate is what bolts right onto your cobot, and the tool plate goes onto the tools. So to make it in listening to our customers, they asked us to create a plug and produce product. And that's exactly what we did. So the robot plate of the TC1 bolts directly onto your cobot arm. It's different from what others are offering in that it has the ISO 9409 mounting pattern. That means the user has no need to make an adapter plate. As a matter of fact, he doesn't need to look for bolts or look for hardware to mount the product because we provide an integration kit with the product. So it's about 2 minutes to install the robot plate to your cobot arm. Now on the tool plate side, your tools might have already been bolted directly to the cobot. So how do I make that work with the tool plate? Well, it turns out that the tool plate has the exact same mounting pattern, and we provide an integration kit for that. And you can install your tools directly onto the tool plate, and then with a simple slide in and click, you'll lock and couple the tool changer together with your tools onto the cobot. So it's a very fast integration. The fact that we didn't ask you to create adapter plates means you've lowered your costs and you've increased your speed of integration. The adapter plates is what you find on a lot of other offerings in the market. Those are hidden costs. Those are costs that we want to remove from the user and make it a truly plug and produce product. So let's just talk about some of the features of the tool changer. First thing you notice about it is a very low profile product. It is 25 millimeters in height. That low profile will reduce any offsets in cobot programming required for longer tools that are added. Second, it's very lightweight. Cobots have a very low payload capacity. So the lighter the tool changer, the more payload capacity is applied to your physical tools that you need to use. So additionally, if we look at what are the features within the TC1 itself, the tool changer, it automatically comes with 4 integrated air ports. So if you're using a pneumatic application, the air lines are already there. Should you require electrical, we have electrical modules that plug directly into the cobot connector that's on the arm. That could be a Techman robot, that could be a UR robot, could be other robots. Just need to check out the pinout compatibility. But the advantage there is we do not require custom cabling or custom adapters. Again, that's added cost that shouldn't be necessary. And so we solve that solution with the TC1. So overall, you have a very simple self-locking mechanism. Uh, it's made to work with for any operator. It's a low insertion force, simple push button locking or unlocking, I should say, which is different. Because it's a just simple push button, there is no lever that needs to be opened up. There's no tools necessary to unlock it. There's nothing that gets in the way of other utilities, which is common with other solutions out there. So it's all inclusive. When you buy a TC1, you get everything you need to integrate it. And where are these applications that may be non-traditional automation? If we think about it, they are showing up in the fast food industries. They're showing up at sporting events. They're showing up in warehousing applications. They're showing up in small CNC machine shops that are trying to address either labor shortages, safety issues, or integrating and automating their processes for better cost control. So overall, the TC1 offers you a very cost-effective, flexible solution. It is a plug-and-produce product. It's the easiest tool changer to use on the market. It is customizable. I probably didn't cover that, but should you not have the mounting pattern, is not ISO 9409, the robot plate is fully customizable for the end user to put their own mounting pattern in it. That's one of the unique features this product offers. No other vendor supplies that, and the same is true on the tool side. So if you have to have custom mounting, you can either use a standard ISO 9409 robot plate to bolt to your cobot, and then a custom mounting pattern to your tools. It's very flexible in that area. And whether you do that or Destaco does it, it's your choice. Our goal is to give you easy to use tools, easy to install, and everything can be done less than 10 minutes. 2 minutes for a module, 3 minutes for mounting the tools, and 3 minutes to mount it to the cobot. So in closing, I just want to ask you to visit our website, Destaco's website, look for other product videos, and you learn more about the TC1 and see it in action with our videos that we have available. And also look for other products. And I want to thank you for your time.
Hi, my name is Ravi Shivanna, Global Engineering Manager for Destaco Camco products. Camco offers wide variety of servo positioners. Today, I am here to introduce PGM40, which is one of our new product within our Camco servo indexers family. PGM40 is a servo reducer with preloaded parallel cam mechanism inside, thereby relatively gives better accuracy and lower backlash, suiting for various precision or accurate servo indexing applications. This product has an accuracy of 60 seconds. It is light in weight, that is 6.7 kilograms, and its performance offers ease of use for a wide range of applications. This product has a mean output speed of 100 revolutions per minute and is able to deliver start or stop torque of 63.9 Newton meter. This product has an axial load of 1415 Newton and a radial load of 2172 Newtons. This product has a moment load capacity of 102 Newton meter. Combination of smaller footprint, relatively higher speed, low input inertia, and smaller motor makes the product best fit for low load servo positioning application, saving money and space for customer, which would lead to also greater servo performance. Relatively, this product has a large through hole at the output and is suitable for wiring and piping. It has integrated sealed taper roller bearing, which ensures there is no leakage and better torque transmission between internal mechanisms. This product can interface with wide variety of servo motors. Motors can be easily mounted with integrated clamp system, which ensures that various diameter of the shaft that is coming out from the motor is easily mounted onto the unit. High performance grease allows easy maintenance and can be oriented in all directions, that is, horizontal, vertical, upright down, and trunnion mount. In addition, there is optional mounting bracket to facilitate easy mounting onto fixture assemblies. This product can be used for various servo applications, which includes rotary positioning, machine tool, filling heads, inspection table, tilting positioners, and various other servo positioning applications. For more information regarding this product, visit distaco.com or contact one of our Distaco sales colleagues. Thank you.
Welcome, everybody. My name is Gary Labdy. I'm the Global Product Director for Destaco of Indexers and Grippers. Today, I wanted to cover a new solution for automotive press shop applications, primarily the 84 and 5 series universal sheet metal gripper. And that is to address the two key challenges that any press shop faces year after year. One of those challenges, the first one is always productivity. The second one is lower your cost. Everybody hears it, every manufacturing hears it. So the 84 and 5 was designed to support those two criteria. And it's part of a larger family of products that's based on the premise of four things that are required to allow you to increase your productivity and lower your cost. And what are those four things? First, it's going to be you need something that is lighter. Why is it got to be lighter? To reduce wear on the system, lower your maintenance, and reduce the moment loading forces so your system can operate with a little less vibration, a little bit smoother. Second, it needs to be smaller. So if you're upgrading a system, the product's got to fit into the existing space that you're already using for other sheet metal grippers, or it's designed to fit into any space that's allocated into the die space for a gripper. And third, if you want to speed up your press shop, that actuator has to go faster. In our case, the 84 and 5 operates at 70 milliseconds actuation speed. That is 60% faster than the common actuators that you find on the market today that are operating up at 200 milliseconds. So by default, having lighter, faster, and smaller, we meet some key criteria. Now, the big one is that's for increasing your productivity. The big one is to lower your cost. Now, it has to be adaptable. And the 84 and 5 is fully adaptable in the ability to, one, you can change out or reconfigure the jaws. So whether you need a straight jaw, double open jaw, drop jaws, or 90-degree jaws, it's a matter of unbolting a couple screws, pull the jaws out, and put the new jaw configuration in place. And Destaco offers jaw kits for different configurations. So it doesn't have to be done at the factory. It can be done at the field. It becomes the user's choice. So that gives you jaw configuration flexibility. The second one is the tips. A lot of products out there require you to buy jaws that are either single tip design or double tip design. In the case of Destaco's 84 and 5, the same jaws support either one. So whether you need a single tip, you can just order the tips, or whether you need the double tip, you order the double tip versions. And then you can just install them yourself in the field or change them out. They're a wear item regardless, so we offer a wide variety of tips. And then the third thing that makes it more flexible is if you look at a lot of your inventory today, you probably have grippers that are 30-degree opening angle, 75-degree opening angle, 45-degree, might even be 60-degree. The 84 and 5 is fully adjustable anywhere from 15 to 75 degrees. So simply loosen a little bolt, make the adjustment, look at the indicator on the side of the gripper, and it will tell you specifically what opening angle you are operating at. Does that have to be purchased at the plant in the beginning? No, it's actually field retrofittable. So whether you order with the adjustment option or without, that's your choice. Maybe you order the gripper without because you want to save some money. Find out you need it later, so you can just order it and add it yourself in the field. And then finally, that gives you a lot of flexibility, right? Opening angle, tip adjustments, jaw reconfigurations, and then finally, what about the sensing solution? Sheet metal gripper needs to know if it's got part presence or a blank within the jaws. The control system needs to know that. So we have an in-tip sensor. Doesn't change the size of the tip like other products that I see on the market. The same tip size supports whether it has a sensor in the tip or not. So we're not changing any size requirements. So that gives you a true blank detection. Then we have side sensing, dual side sensing. So we can detect anywhere in the jaw movement for systems that require a zero blank, a double blank, full open, full closed type sensing. And the customer can adjust that anywhere they want, anywhere in between. It's up to them. It's fully flexible in the sensing arena. And then finally, what good is a gripper if it can't adapt to the existing system that you have? So Destaco offers a vast variety of mounting options that slip onto the back of the gripper, and whether you need a rear flange mount, a rear ball mount, a apple core mount, or a offset mount, we have all those kinds of mounts, and we can make custom mounts as well to retrofit into an existing system. So that's kind of a brief overview of the 84 and 5. And if we remember how I started this out, is the two things you're tasked with every year is increase your productivity and decrease your cost. By having a gripper that is faster, lighter, smaller, adaptable, it meets the criteria that you're faced with. They'll lower your inventory. They'll give you the advantage to make more parts per hour, and you'll meet your goals for the year and help you stay competitive. So I want to thank you for your time on the 84 and 5 overview. It's just a quick overview. Look at our YouTube video to see a full feature set of how this gripper operates and how it's adjustable. And look forward to other videos that are available from Destaco. Thank you.
Welcome, everybody. My name is Christian Schubert. I'm the Global Product Manager for Power Clamps for Destaco, and today I want to introduce a new pneumatic pivot unit, which we still launched into the market by beginning of the year. I want to cover today some key benefits of these new units instead of the old ones, and one is to give more flexibility into the production. The other thing is to have as much as possible safety features including in the unit. And another big thing here is to reduce the spare part level for you by implementing some features. And the last thing is to have a smooth transition of this unit. And these are the key points I want to cover today. So first, I would to start to introduce a little bit the unit itself. So we're talking about a pneumatic pivot unit, which is used for moving bigger parts or fixtures from one point to the other in one direction. So these units are often used in automotive, but can be used as well in different other application or industries. So coming up to the main features or benefits for the unit by starting with the biggest point here to give more flexibility as we had before. So we integrated into the unit an open angle adjustment, which reduce the level of spare parts you need to have for your different applications. And that means Before the unit, if you want to adjust the unit, you need to have different lengths of cylinders, and which implements a lot of spare parts for your different applications. By integrating an opening angle adjustment, we have reduced the parts of cylinders you need by one cylinder. So this is a huge benefit on the spare part level for this unit and give you much best possible flexibility. And you can decide by yourself if you want to have the unit pre-adjusted to the angle you want to have from our side, or you do directly in your plant or in your work environment by yourself. So it's up to you how to use it and how to implement the new benefit for the unit. The next thing is coming off the area of safety. These units normally moving big loads and big fixtures from one point to the other. In safety matters, if the energy is gone, in this case the air, the unit needs to hold the position of the fixture, and the worker can go into the production and to remove the issue which is in the field, and it's forbidden then that the worker are damaged by a falling down part or falling down fixtures. So what we integrated here is a safety brake system, including in the head, which give you much best possible safety for your application. And you can have it as well detected by a sensing system, which included in the unit as well. Normally, you have a sensor to have the information from the open and the closed position of the unit. This is added now to have as well the information when the unit is locked and when the unit is not locked. The next thing is about the sensors. Before, as I explained, we had the feature with the different lengths of cylinders to have the right angles for your application. By implementing the open angle adjustment, you have only one sensor left now, which is a big improvement as well on the spare parts, where you only need one sensor on your stocks and not longer different sensors to adjust. The last thing I want to cover today is to have a smooth transition. So as I explained, we're moving here a lot of load and a lot of weight and bigger fixtures. And you can see with a bigger cylinder and you move a high loaded fixture from one point to the other, you need to have a smooth transition into the end position where you want to have your fixture or the parts you have mounted on the unit. Therefore, is an integrated hydraulic system in the pneumatic cylinders, which allows to have really a smooth transition of the maximum load, which are mounted on the arms to your end position where you want to have the fixture. Additional to that, to have much more accuracy, we included outside of the head an external stop. So this improves over lifetime the position of the unit, and both together are a good combination of to have a smooth transition and as well much more accuracy as before. So thanks everybody for listening, and if we have more questions, please reach out a message to our team and we will respond as soon as possible.
Thank you for your attention during our new product introductions. Please continue to connect with us through the chat function or visit our video audio rooms to have discussions with our experts to answer your questions. Remember to check out our other sessions during this two-day event. We will cover a range of topics focused on improving automation productivity. Thank you.